Um, Hello guys. This oh sorry. This is a summary of our class today. Today, what I want to show you, I want to first start with alter table statement. I want to start with alter table statement. I want to start with alter table statement is a statement we use to add, delete, or modify a column into the existing database table. Let me use the same bank or the same database. Sorry. For example, in my bank database, I'm in a bank database. I have the following table. I have the account and customer, and I have the information from here in customer. So I want to show you the description of customer table. This is my customer table. My customer table has an ID, address, nationality, and phone number. For example, let's say I want to add 6 of the customer, 6, okay? Let me list all the information I have from table customer. This is the information I have in my table customer. I have customer ID 1002 and the name is Panga, and then address Kigali, nationality, and phone number. This is my phone number. Here I can add another column or drop it. I can add another column of 6 or gender. Okay, let me call it a 6. Yes. How do we add? We use alter table statement. When you want to add a column, we say alter table statement. We say we use alter table statement. We use to add column in a database table. Alter table name, add column name, and data type. For example, let me use this. Add 6. In a 6, I will use variable character. Yes, variable character, and I will call it 4. Oh no, 6 for example. This is the size. Yes. I can apply it here. Alter table customer, add, this is a keyword, add the column name. Yes, here, sorry, add the column name, add 6. Yes, data type variable character, and the size is 6. Then I put semicolon. Then I describe my table customer. As you can see here, another column has already created. Let me select in my table. Let me list the information I have in my table. I think you have seen that we have added a column which has a null value. They are empty into the column. To update this, to record this, you can use update command. You can update command. It will update your table. In addition, I think you have seen this, guys. You can also drop a column. dropped means you are going to delete. You can drop column. Sorry, you use alter table customer drop. This is a keyword. Drop column 6. Yes, it has deleted. When you list all information you have in your table, you see it has removed here. I think that is all for the previous concept. Now we can shift to the relational database concept. Relational database concept, I'm going to show you how to create a database, and with 2 or more tables, then you can create a relationship between them. Remember, I have seen it. You have seen the following relationships. For example, I'm going to create table customer and the table account, and we set the relationship between them. We have said I'm going first to drop. I'm going to delete the existing database I have. Drop database bank db. Here I'm going to delete db. Here I'm going to delete the database called bank db. Then I create database bank db, bank database. I use the database called bank db. Yes, I'm going to create database customer. Yes, let me start with customer. I'm going to create a database customer, a database table customer. Create table customer, and in a table customer we have the following column. It will have customer ID, which is integer. This will be the primary key. And it will not receive null value. It must be not null. Yes, customer. Yes, okay. Customer must have a name. Yes, we have a name. Customer have address. Customer will have phone number. And a customer in a bank must have a 6. Okay, 6 of the customer. We use data type. Here it comes. Let's say 6, it is the maximum. Yes, then we very sorry, what is an error? Let me look. Create table customer ID int primary key not null. The mistake is here. Okay, I've got it. A name, address, phone number. Very sure. Let's say 15. Yes. And address and 6. Duplicate column name. Duplicate column address here. Oh, very sorry. I've made a duplicate. Very sorry for that. Phone number and 6. Oh no, what the hell is this? It is here. It is here. It is here. Variable character. And name no 6. Yes, it has created. So I have let me select my table customer. My customer, it has how many row columns? It has 5. Customer ID. This is the primary key. You see it here. It is set as a primary key. Then you are going to create the account number. Remember, we are going to use that example we have seen in a class. We create a table account. Yes, table account. We have account number, number, integer, and it will have this will be primary key. Yes, and it must not be empty. And account type, type for the account. Yes, which is let's call it them. Yes, and it will have what is balance. Okay, balance, float, let's say 6. Yes, no, 9, no, 10. Yes, what else, guys? It will have also customer ID. Customer ID as a foreign key. Customer ID, this one, it is a primary key here. It is coming to be a foreign key into the another table. Integer. And we are going to set foreign key. Foreign key will be customer, this one, customer ID, customer ID. We have to set the references where it is coming from. I will give you this references where it is coming from. References where it is coming from. It is coming from a table called customer. This table customer. Yes, it is coming from table customer. And it is called customer ID. Customer ID. Then, oh, I've forgotten to close this one. Okay, then I close this one, and it has already created. I told you that, let me describe my table account. If I describe my table account, I have account number, which is a primary key, and I have customer ID, which is a primary key. Are you seeing this? It indicates the primary key. I'm using XAMPP. I can show it to you. I'm using XAMPP. When I access the admin of my SQL. It is going to come. Please come. As we are waiting this, I'm going to insert into these two tables. Let me first insert from customer. I'm going to insert value into the 5 rows. No, yes, 5 columns. Insert into table customer values customer ID. Let's call 1001. Yes, and 1001, the name of customer Panga, if as a name, address Kigali, and I set phone number. I set my phone number. This is my real phone number. This is my real phone number here. And 6, I'm a male. Then I finish, I save. Oh, sorry. Insert into customer. Insert into customer values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, it has inserted. And guys, for example, I have only inserted one. I've inserted one customer into my database. For example, I want to insert another customer with the same name. For example, if I insert another person with the same duplicates on the primary key, the same primary key, this guy will not be inserted because this is an error. There is no duplicate in a primary key. Remember, a primary key, it is the unique for each row. This employee whose name is Panga Eve, and then the ID is this. This ID, it is identifying all of these records. But I can insert this using, I can insert another customer too. Let me call him Panga pattern. This is my young brother. Hello, very young brother. Pattern lives in Gishushu, and phone number as affected. Let me insert another one. I need at least 2 or 3. Let me insert another. Peter Smith. Peter Smith lives at Kanombe. And phone number, and is a male. Let me give him a female. Yes. Then this is all the information I have from my table customer. Yes, I have Panga, I have Paten, Smith. This is all the information about my customers. And I'm going also to insert this table account, this subscribe account. Yes, accounts. I'm going to insert account number, type, balance, and account ID. Yes. Insert into account values. The values I'm going to insert is about the account number. Let's for account number, let me say 4001. This is the account number for the first customer. Type of account, let me say saving account. And another one, let me type balance 50K, and customer ID. I'm going to put customer ID 1001. This one, it means Panga even has this customer ID. And I finish. It has affected. And I put another one. I put let me call this current account. Let me put 20K for the customer 002, whose name is Panga Pattern. Yes. And I put the account number for the so this means one or many accounts can be shared by one customer. It means one customer must have many account numbers in our bank. Yes, let me register that. For example, let's say this guy Panga Pattern, he has another 2 accounts. He has saving account and current account. Saving account and current account into our database. When saving account, let's say, has 130K. Oh, I have duplicated the primary key. This is account number 004. This guy has the account number 002 and has an account number 4003, and he is the same guy who has the same IP, the same customer ID. This must be saved. Okay. Let me list all from customer, all the information. Select all from customer. This means, oh no, and I select all from account. Yes. This means, let me also insert the account for Peter Smith. Peter Smith, we are going to give him info. Peter Smith's customer ID, it is 3. Okay. No, let me start from the customer and from the account. Yes. Okay, guys, are you having a lot of fun? This means you have customers, and you have the account. Here you have customer Panga, whose ID is 01001. This is the same customer. We have the account number 4001, which is saving account, which has this balance, and this, it is for customer ID, which is matching with the customer ID from the customer name, customer table. Customer ID, it is 001. And this guy, it means this customer ID, it is representing the whole, row of table customer. It means this account number, it is for this customer ID. Remember this customer ID, it is Panga Eve. But here we have 2 people. No, we have one people who has 2 account number. This is many to one relationship, or one to many. It is one. No, this is many to one relationship. It is many account number shared by one person, but this is one to many or many to one. It is one person. Here one person whose name is Panga Pattern. Here Panga Pattern has 2 account number. He has this one of 4002 and has this one of 4003. You will know that this is customer ID. Customer ID, they are the same. Guys, this is not a duplicate. We will study this in database normalization. We are having one to many or many to one relationship. So, for example, when I want to delete this customer whose name is Panga Eve, when I want to delete from customer, yes, where customer ID is equal to 1002, this will not be deleted. Do you know why? They have given me the message. Cannot delete or update parent row. A foreign key constraint failed. A bank database. This is a foreign. You cannot delete a record which has a foreign key into the other table. This table customer, it is a foreign key into the another table account. It means to delete a customer from our database, we need to delete the account number. You delete the account number, then you delete the customer from the database. I think, guys, it is clear here. You can create many databases. You can create a database with many tables. We can create another tables like 2, 3, or 4. You can give them a relationship according to this. I think, guys, it is clear. Have a lot of fun. Thank you.